Hi there, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this vase using an empty Pringle can and corrugated cardboard sheet. So let's get started. For this DIY, you're going to need corrugated cardboard sheet. You'll also need an empty Pringle can, a ruler, crafty knife. I will list everything that I've used for this DIY in the description box below. I went ahead and rolled the Pringle can around the cardboard sheet so that I would be able to know where I need to cut out the width, and I also did the same for the length. Just mark it out with a crafty knife. That's one way of measuring the length of the corrugated sheet that you're going to use. Another way, you can use tape measures and measure the circumference of the Pringle can, and also measuring the length. Then I went ahead and cut out the piece of corrugated sheet that I need for this DIY. I use a ruler to aid me to cut out a straight line of the corrugated sheet. This is one of the easiest DIY that anyone can do. You can use different type of material with a Pringle can. You can also check out my previous video of where I've used a wallpaper to make a vase. So this is how the corrugated sheet is going to fit on there. And then I went ahead and used this Gorilla Glue and apply it all over the corrugated sheet. Then I placed the Pringle can and used the hot glue to speed up the gluing process. The good thing about this corrugated cardboard sheet, you can decide to paint it or just leave it the way it is. I decided to leave mine the way it was, but if you decide to paint, I think acrylic paint is best for it. So do let me know in the comment section below if you're planning to do this DIY and how it turned out. You can also tag me on Instagram using my handle Fashion Cadet Official. Do make sure as you are gluing the corrugated sheet into the Pringle can, you're aligning it so you can have a smooth finish. So the good thing about this DIY is budget friendly. The corrugated sheet, you can get it from free from your packaging from Amazon or whatever you do your shopping. And also the Pringle can is, after you finish eating your Pringles, is something you can use to create a beautiful vase to store your flowers or your sticks. And this is how it looks after gluing. And this is how I style the vase by using dried sticks. You can use flowers or whatever you want to do with your vase. And if you like this video so far, you can give it a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye for now.